Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading. From today till the 27th of April, roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also. If not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box, you'll find the links below. For the best healing modality, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love journey, the 30-day self-love challenge course is live now. Everything is given in the description box, basically whatever you need to connect with me. Let's start, Libra. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, honey. We have the Nine of Cups, the Seven of Swords, and the Magician. Hmm. It's like basically this is somebody who feels like they have this awareness that they're going against their heart, they're going against their wish fulfillment. It's not at all making them happy to sneak away, to walk away from the situation, and they're manifesting a way out of the situation. It's like me continuously feeding the lie to myself that I don't care about Libra, I don't give a shit about them, but I do. And at the same time, I'm manifesting this energy of coming out of the situation because I'm feeling stuck, because this is a deceptive energy, because I am in a lying and deceptive kind of energy. Okay. Today you did the ritual. Camera falling down. A lot of people like, oh my god, I'm sorry. Complain to me. I don't laugh in my readings. There is no reason to laugh in the readings. It's like why? Uh, okay, I don't have anything to say. Anyways, this is somebody who feels like there's awareness, there's a sense of awareness within themselves that they are continuously lying to themselves, and they feel like they should manifest this energy of coming out of this situation and be happy, truly happy. Right now they are pretending to be happy, but they feel like they should be truly happy. If this is making any sense to you, this is what they're feeling, the internal chaos. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Okay, come on. We have the Ace of Swords, the Fool card, the Four of Cups. All they want is a breakthrough in this area of their life. All they want is to let go of the situation completely out of their system, let go of this feeling upset about the situation all the time, feeling down about the situation all the time, and getting that proper clarity and proper path in front of them so that they can move on. So, with all of their heart and soul and physical, mental, emotional, every energy that they have, this person wants to have a breakthrough in this area of their life where they just want to erase everything, whatever happened till this point of time, and have a brand new beginning in their life without anybody. Sorry. Right now, this person is not very focused on anyone. Right now, they're focused on this idea of being with themselves as much as they can and having a breakthrough and breaking free, having happiness. Okay, because they're tired of this conflict and deceptive energies and tired of pretending. This person is not happy at all, and they're tired of all this and they just want to have a breakthrough. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have, honey, by the 27th of April. We have the Queen of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. I'm telling you, this person is very much in this energy of healing themselves and getting out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of energy, trying to see the light at the end of the tunnel. This person is going through a lot right now in their life. Apart from this love and relationship area, also something else is also going on in their life that they're very much tied up in, and they're trying their best to figure out a way out of that because it sucks on so many levels. It's not even funny. So, Libra, whosoever you are connected to energetically, they are going through a lot in their life, and all they want is peace and a way out of the stressful energies. That doesn't involve you right now because they are focused on themselves. And for the time being, this person is very focused on themselves and trying to be as practical, trying to remain as optimistic and positive that they can. Of course, they're human, and from time to time, they have this tendency to come back to you energetically. But the moment they are coming to you, they're bouncing back to this energy of, no, I have to heal myself, I have to get out of this situation, I can't be here forever, this is something that I cannot handle. Okay, it's like forcing the, it's not self love actually, it's just that awareness of wanting to do something but doing it in a very very wrong and not negative way, but in a very, what we call that, it's like they want to like fix it very quickly and it's not happening, and that's frustrating the hell out of them. That's what's happening for you. The guidance here is, instead of going all back and forth, up and down, on and off about the situation, instead of confusing the hell out of yourself, stay in the reality and the truth of the situation, that this is what it is. You cannot change it, you cannot do anything about it. All you can do is accept and let go. Letting go doesn't mean that you have to let go of the relationship completely, especially if you're married or committed to this person. It's hard, right? But letting go sometimes means let the other person do whatever they want to, and you focus on yourself instead of ruining your energies and mood every day regarding the situation. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.